to Rasulullah in Surah Al-Duha. What did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say? بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى, by the sun in the morning and its blazing glory. The first thing you tell somebody who is depressed is wake up and see the light outside. It's not always doom and gloomy. Wake up and see the blessings that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave you, the flowers that are blooming outside. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continues and says, وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا سَجَى, and by the night as it brings comfort. The problem with the people who are depressed is that they sleep the whole day and they wake up at night, so they think everything is doom and gloomy. They don't get the comfort of the night. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continues and says, مَا وَضَّعَكَ رَبُّكَ وَمَا قَلَى. Allah doesn't hate you, O Muhammad, neither has He forgotten you. The same way, brothers and sisters, Allah doesn't hate you, and He has not forgotten you, and He will never forget you. If you're depressed, if you're having all the stresses in life, if you lose your job, if you lost your child, if you don't know if you will make home okay, then listen to me, because every day we're tested. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala already told us that you're going to be tested. What did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say in the Quran? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم أحسب الناس أن يتركوا أن يقولوا آمنا وهم لا يفتنون. Does mankind think that will say, we believe, and that they will not be tested? So brothers and sisters, know that you will be tested in your daily life. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continues to speak to you and to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. What does He say? Allah says, وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى. Indeed, the hereafter is far better for you than what is in this world. Even if you're the richest human being on this earth, that what is in the akhirah is far better than what you have today.